cool roofs, the principle is that the energy that is coming from the sun is reflected back straight to the atmosphere and to space, right? So this energy that is coming in the first place is simply not accumulated in the city, in the buildings, in the streets, etc. So there are two types of heat. There's the one that you can feel, like if you put your hand on top of a hot pan, this is the type of heat that you will feel, and this is the one that will heat up the air. And there's the one that you can't feel and you can't experience, which we call latent because it's absent. And actually plants, by transpirating, but by sweating as we do, emit more heat into that form of latent heat, the heat that you can't perceive. So it's water vapor, basically. The heat that is stored in the soil on which the plants are will be released in this form of sensible heat that you can feel. And they will heat up the air at night, which is what we found in our study too, is basically green roofs do decrease air temperature, or are expected to do, but on average throughout the day, because they heat up also the air at night, you get this kind of null average decrease in temperature.
I think the more green roofs that we can get, especially in these highly urban areas, the better. I mean, there's a lot of wildlife out there that still needs to thrive. That be it birds, be it moths, butterflies, bees. There's many species of creature that really do need this kind of habitat. And the more we can do to enhance that, it's going to enrich our lives as well.
Yeah, we had all those filtration systems, but it was all those.
We do have some orchids here on the roof, some very rare orchids. I believe one of them is very rare, and it's the only one currently known in the UK. Having an environment like this where it is remote, you don't have a lot of footfall, it does give an opportunity for some of these rare species to thrive.
This is quite a massive green roof. There's a lot of weight that is added to the building below it. And behind me you see a roof from another building just across the street. And this building, for example, could not withhold such a green roof as of now. So it means that it offers very little options in terms of interventions. Whitening its roof would actually reflect part of the solar energy again and reduce temperature within the building and also in its surroundings probably. But as you can see behind me, the problem with whitening of roofs, and it's often a cost that has to be added to it, is the fact that it gets sanded, it gets dirty, and so its reflective capacity is lowered, and so you have to make sure to maintain it always as white as possible.